Welcome to Playdays Collectibles from Whittier, California. Today is Sunday, November 2018, and today's topic is going to be sometimes collecting is like a box of candy, or like we could say, Forrest Gump, box of chocolate, because you never know what you're going to get. Get it? Show and tell. Show you some good chocolate here. Hot Wheels chocolate, that is. Check it out, everyone. See what we have here. All right, we got some goodies. We have some rim swaps. Well, this is not a rim swap, but it's a cool Deadpool's fajita truck. Somehow it got in here. I don't know why. Well, let's see what's in here. We have a Chevy truck with a rim swap. It's the first edition. Check it out, everyone. Pretty nice. Next we have Mazda Miata with monoblock rims. And it has Yokohama on the tires. Just a rim swap, but it makes it look cool. We had the Batmobile with the rim swaps. Someone sold it to me as a super, and I guess I got gypped. It's not a super. Then we have the Mercedes AMG with new monoblock rims. It's pretty cool. The tires say Advent on them. You can buy these from Monoblock. It's a rim swap. And it looks like I have another one here. I guess I have the twin. Then we have Lamborghini with the rim swap, black tires. Pretty cool. So what else do I see here? Where should I start? We have a cool Nissan Skyline GTR R33. Pretty sure you guys have this one. You probably found it on case A with monoblock rims. Rim swap. Looks awesome. Michelin tires. Then we have a Momo Volkswagen GTI, I believe. Golf GTI with rear rider swap. Red rims. Let's see what else we could find in here. This is the Porsche Police with monoblock rims. They're awesome rims. Michelin written all over the tire. It's just a rim swap. Pretty nice with these rims. And we have a twin with different rims. Black spoke. Yokohama tires. There it is. Fast Police. We have another Mercedes here with the rim swap with monoblock rims. Advent right on the tires. Pretty cool. And we have this new painted color Ford. I think it's the Fiesta. Is it the Fiesta? Yep, Ford Fiesta 2012 with the rim swap, monoblock rims. It's a 4-spoke. Pretty cool. Then we have the Porsche with all black rims. These are Hot Wheel rims. Next we have a nice Datsun, new color, with monoblock rims. Plastic bottom. So, get your own. The Borla Mustang. It almost looked like the Super. Some black monoblock rims, pretty cool. Advent tires. What's next? We have another Ford with 5-spoke chrome rims. Pretty cool color. It's a new color. Acura Boost Brigade with white rims. Cool rim swap. And it has a twin with different rims. There it is. Really nice. And it has another triplet. Same kind of rims. And then we have a Mini Cooper rim swap, chrome bottom. Body does not come up anymore like before. And then it's Magnus Walker Outlaw, Urban Outlaw. Pretty nice. Next we have another Mercedes with the same type of rims. AMG. Is this AMG? It's the Mercedes AMG GT. Next we have this cool Volkswagen by Hot Wheels. It's a new look, comes in a 10-pack with a rim swap. These came off a gasser, so it's pretty cool. Really nice. Cool. Good idea. That paint job was nice. And then we have the famous gasser, 1955 gasser from the 50 favorites. And it's rim swap. Pretty cool rims. I like these rims. Pretty nice. Hopefully you guys have your own ideas for these gassers, because there are so many at the store. Same gasser with same rims. So it's a twin. Here we have a cool one. Look at these rims. Awesome car from Hot Wheels. This is the 2017 Pagani Carrera Roadster. I like the rims. Awesome rims. Monoblock. Get your own. That's mine. And then we have the rotary Mazda truck in white with white rims, rim swap. Yokohama tires. Basic. Then we have the Alfa Romeo with the cool white rims from Monoblock. Awesome. Pretty nice. Metal bottom. Next we have another Alfa Romeo with different color rims. Metal bottom. Really nice paint job, decals. Let's race. Next we have the 180 by Hot Wheels. Cool rims from Monoblock. See, looks nice with this rim swap. Awesome. Next we have the same 180, same rims, and this cool Matchbox Camaro. It's a new color with a rim swap with Hot Wheel rims. Ready to race. Lamborghini with black rims, rim swap. Pretty cool. Nice rims, rubber wheels. Kind of looks like a Super. Well, there it is, everyone. Just want to show you guys this box of chocolate. There you have it. Show and tell. And just to let you guys know, I'm going to show you where I put all my chase pieces from yesterday's video. It's right here in this case. And I made space, and they're all parked here. The caravan of green light machines, green machines. Well, thank you for checking in today. Hopefully, you guys have a good Sunday evening. Hopefully, you already had dinner. I'm going to leave here and go have dinner at home. And looking forward to Thanksgiving on Thursday. Hopefully, you guys are too, and have a safe trip if you're traveling to see your family members. And if you're on vacation, enjoy your vacation. If you're in LA or California, stop by Playdays Collectibles. I will be open on Thursday from 10 to 4. So if you want to get some goodies, come by, visit me, and say hi. So make sure you refer me to your friends and family, coworkers, neighbors, people you don't like. Time to subscribe. And adios. Good night.